Hello, my coders! Foxycodedojo here, and today we're going to be having a look at something other than variables now. Today we're going to be having a look at the if statement. What is the if statement? Well, I'll tell you what. The if statement is something you do in Python to check whether what you're asking is true or false. So, if x equals, well, remember, because we're checking to see and how much it equals, we put two equal signs. Equals 10, 10, put a colon. After that, we put a colon, come down, and print x is 10. You may be wondering, why there's this blank space? Well, this is for Python to help read and find out the blocks of code, okay? So, after the if statement, we'll have an indent. If we have another if statement down here, we'll indent for the code in there. If you put more than one if statement inside, you'd be embedding it. Anyway, let's first assign x. X equals, let's set it to 10. And x is 10. But now if it's 1, nothing happens. But if we want something to happen, if this is false, we could do something very simple. Delete this indentation, put else, 2 colons, and then let's print out something else. X is not 10. X is not 10. Ta-da! And then, let's say we also want to check if x is equal to 3.14, because that's pi. Instead of putting another if, you'd put Elif, x equals 3.14, we'll print your math geek. So then let's say this is now 3.14. Whoops. You're a Mac geek. Lovely, lovely. So, as we saw in our last video while trying and testing out with booleans, if you put this is not equal to 10, if x is not equal to 10, it'll print out x is 10. So in this case, x is 10. But you may be thinking, but x is 3.14, so why isn't it saying you're a math geek? The answer is simple. It goes top to bottom. So this came in first. It read this, x is not equal to 10. So after that, it skips over all of this and it ends. And then after that, it'll print out what other code there is. We have random code here. Then we have x is 10, then random code. All of this is skipped. Let's change this back equal to 10. And print this out one more time. There, x is 10. Well, no. Silly me. It's on 3.14. Anyway, let's take this out. If statements can be very useful when you're having input. Let's say x equals input. What's your favorite color? And then if x equals blue, let's print out that's my favorite color too. Then Elif x equals red, or you could put an or to check for one other thing. X equals yellow, or x equals green. Then let's print out that's a nice color. Let's add one more Elif to make this a little longer. X equals purple, or x equals pink. Oh, printer. I don't exactly like those colors. And remember, you don't have to follow me step for step. You could change the blue to black or whatever you want. And then else is, we'll just print out no comment. So now let's start this. What's your favorite color? Blue. No comment. You may be wondering, but we have blue up here. Aha! Python is case sensitive. So to solve that, let's put dot lower equals blue. Dot lower changes x into a string which is all lower. I'll show you real quick here. Print. Boom. Boom. Oh no, let's not print it. Let's hit x. X equals boom, boom, boom. Let's print x. Now let's print x dot lower. Now we got all lowercase. Back over here. X dot lower over here. We could do that, or we could quickly change this and save ourselves a little bit of time. Let's change all these x's to y's. And then right here, we could do y equals x dot lower. Saves us a lot of typing. Now, let's see, what's my favorite color? Let's put blue like that. That's my favorite color too. Well, that's it for today, coders. Keep on coding and use those